Learn Japanese Plain Form 普通形2。こんにちは、キキです。Hello, this is Kiki. Our team to learn Japanese ファティマさんです。佐藤さんです。Today we are going to learn 普通形 Plain Form 2。So in Japanese conversation, we have two styles. One is polite formal style and we use 何々です。何々ます。The other one is casual style. We use special form of verb and special form of adjective, noun, and the other aspect. And today we are going to learn casual style, plain form for adjective and noun. So today's agenda, first introduction. I'm going to introduce plain form of adjective and noun. And second, how to use conversation between Fatima-san and Sato-san. And then third, phrases from Demon Slayer. So let's get started. First introduction. So today's topic, 普通形. This is form used in casual style conversation.Generally speaking, in Japanese conversation, first we have polite style and to talk to elderly people, senior, or people who are not close to you. For example, 仕事中 at work or 初めて会う人 people we haven't met before. So basically it is safe to use polite style. However, we can use casual style conversation to close people like families and friends. And today we are focused on plain form about adjective and noun. So let's get started. So let's see the differences between polite style and casual style. Polite style, おはようございます。おはようございます。Casual style おはようおはよう Polite style 寒いですいい adjective 寒いです Casual style 寒い寒い In this case, she talks to herself 寒い So let's see what is a plain form for each adjective.Firstly, polite form, present, 寒いです。Past, 寒かったです。Present negative, 寒くないです。Past negative, 寒くなかったです。So, plain form, 寒い、寒かった、寒くない、寒くなかった。So, each adjective is easy because just delete です。And then that's all. However, plain form, not adjective and noun. So, polite form, 暇です。暇です。暇でした。暇じゃありません。暇じゃありませんでした。Plain form, 暇だ。So change this to だ。暇だった。暇でしたto 暇だった暇じゃないそう暇じゃない delete ありません and add じゃない暇じゃなかった暇じゃありませんでした delete this part and then add なかったplain form noun 仕事仕事 job or at work 仕事です This is noun 仕事でした仕事じゃありません仕事じゃありませんでした Plain form 仕事だ仕事だった仕事じゃない仕事じゃなかった This is the same conjugation of not adjective Second, how to use 明日暇暇 暇じゃない。So, 佐藤さん、ファティマさん are friends. So, this is casual conversation. 明日暇明日 means tomorrow. And 暇 is we learn playing form is 暇だ. But when we make a question, we delete だ. Then, we change the intonation. So, 明日暇 Then, if it's yes, Fatima-san said, 暇暇 If it's no, Fatima-san said, this is no, 暇じゃない暇じゃない Third, phrases from Demon Slayer. So from Demon Slayer Episode 14, this phrase is the same phrase from last video. And Zenitsu said, 三人ともあばらが折れてるとはな。三人ともあばらが折れてるとはな。2本、3本、4本。So, let's review. 三人とも 3 is 3. 人 this is counter for people. とも is both of us or all three of us. 三人とも all three of us. あばら is this part. And あばら is thin and long object. So when we count あばら, we use the counter of hom or pon or bom. It depends on numbers before the counter. So 2本 2 ribs, 3本 3 ribs, 4本 4 ribs. Then あばらが折れてる formal way is 折れました折れています This is formal. This is polite and we delete politeness. And 折れている This is plain form about the verb 折れている And then when we speak, we just skip 折れてる So, 3人ともあばらが折れてるとはな This means 何々とは思わなかった何々とは思わなかった This shows surprise And 思わなかった is did not think So this is past negative. And 思います This is polite form of think. And 思わない This isないform. This is negative. And past negative is 思わなかった So this sentence we learned already. And then after Zenitsu's line, Inosuke said, あばらよりこぶがいてあばらよりこぶがいて So here this is たんこぶ This is たんこぶ But shorter version of たんこぶ we can say こぶ But I prefer to say たんこぶ But this is Inosuke's phrase So then here あばらよりこぶがいてSo, あばら is ribs and こぶ is here not and より means down. Then, 痛い means hurt and this is adjective. So, formal way to say 痛いです and casual is just です and 痛い But, Inosuke is a guy and he has own style. Guys sometimes say いて But this is the same meaning 痛い I will repeat again あばらよりこぶがいてあばらよりこぶがいて I hope you get the sentence. Thank you for watching. 見てくれてありがとう。